Hey guys, what's up? This is Sachin from StarTech City, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can update your LeEco Lemax2 to EUI 6. Yesterday LeEco released official EUI 6 on 19 October 2018. Download size is 1.9 GB. You can download. How to download I will show in this video, and how you can update without TWRP, without root and without PC. All will in this video. So let's get start the video and enjoy. And I assured you friends, this is the simplest tutorial ever you have seen in your life. So guys, you have to just click on the link which is in the description. I provided the link in description. You can go there and you can download the EUI 6 from there. How you can download, let me show you. When you click on this description link, you will get this form. Here you have to click on EUI 6 official. You will get this post, and here you have to find your model or your mobile phone. When you find it, when you reach to your mobile, you have two links. Click on first or second link. Both links are working with very high speed. So I am clicking on first. Now you have to verify your by captcha box. Are you human or robot? And then click to continue, and here you have to wait for 5 seconds. Then you will be redirected to the page where you can download the file. So now click on get link, and it will redirect you to download page. And here you have to click on file download. As you can see, this is for Lemax2, and here is the option of free download. Click on it, and now again it will show you last time download or not. So click on download file, and you will able to download the file with very high speed. So this is the original size, 1897 MB. This is the original size of the file. Just click on download button. Your download will start with very high speed. Okay, click on download. And notification, as you can see, still it is of 2.4 Mbps speed. It depends on your data speed, how much you have. Okay friends, downloaded. Now go to file manager where you downloaded that file. Where the file, look up for the file where it is. Go to in phone storage and cut from there and move it to directory, home directory of the file manager. This is the file where I downloaded it. Now move it in the home directory of your phone storage. Now just click on phone storage, and this is called home directory friends. Don't put it in folder or any files, just put in on phone storage. This is called home directory. Now just move here, and as you can see, it is deleted from here and moved to home directory, phone directory. This is in the last. Now you have to rename it update.zip. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you will get these three options. Just cancel it. Now you have to tap on it for a second and rename it. After clicking on bottom corner 3 dots, update it. Update.zip, rename it update.zip. As you can see, don't rename it update.zip.zip. Okay, now just tap on it for 1 second, and now you will get two options, that is extract and upgrade. Click on upgrade, and your upgrade will start. It is rebooting to recovery, and as you can see, I am getting smarter every day. When it is switched off or reboot or go to recovery, it will show that sign. So it is going in recovery, and as you can see, it is booted to recovery. So guys, it will automatically start updating your phone. And as you can see, here is EUI. Sorry for bad quality because of daylight, heavy daylight, it can't show properly. So sorry guys. So it is started. Now I will skip some part of the video because video is too lengthy, and it is now ongoing 85%, and it will take around friends 15 minutes. After that, your first boot up will be on EUI 6.0.0 30s. And now it is booted, and as you can see, LeEco symbol, and now it will show you the EUI symbol when you wait for some seconds. And this is EUI symbol, and now it is friends updated to EUI 6.0.0. as you can see, I skipped some part of the video. Now choose which launcher you want, basic mode launcher or app drawer mode. I will select app drawer mode and just press OK. And as you can see, launcher is loading, and this is the face unlock. Very first impression is this is the face unlock. Now it is in Chinese, but don't worry friends, just click on continue button. I will show you the tutorial. Click on it. Okay, this is called OK button, and you will be redirected to the settings where fingerprint and password, and in Chinese this is face unlock. You have to turn on it, and upper is fingerprint. You have to turn on it, just press on continue, and you have to select password or fingerprint to which you want, and just select it. I am giving some password. Okay, now my password is set up. Now it's time to log in or not, just not now. It is asking for login to LeEco account, and it is also in Chinese, but click on continue button. This is the tutorial how you can set up face unlock. So guys, click on it, and this is the what you will get. This is face unlock, and I assured you friends, this is very fast, like Oppo Vivo phones. Very fast friends. I will set up it. So guys, it is now 100% and name that StarTech. Okay guys, this is almost set up, 100% it is set up. Hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. And in settings, I will show you in about phones what are the security updates and Android version. Android version is still Marshmallow. Android security patch level is still 1 January 2017. And EUI version, as you can see, 6.0.030s. And if I show you its build number is 9092s. This is the stable.